Good afternoon, traders. This is Arcadia Trading, and I will be breaking down SPY, QQQ, and a couple of things I'm looking at for support and resistance, and what I'm also looking at going forward tomorrow. So right now we are looking at SPY daily time frame. Yesterday I was talking about this support resistance zone the resistance zone in this area from 411 to 410. You can see we have this cluster of volume traded here, and also this area where we rejected from here as well, and here and here and here. So that's what I was watching when we yesterday. You can see this black looking line resistance as well, where we rejected up here once and a couple times over here, and now we tested there today. So this morning we touched it and we started dropping due to XLF, which is the financial sector, and KRE, which is the regional banks, being very, very weak. And so that was what made SPY weaker again compared to QQQ, where we'll be looking at in a second. And so right now, SPY's daily consolidation is on its way. You can see SPY closed, not closed, it went below the prior candle. So now the daily consolidation is on its way. So we don't know exactly how deep the consolidation is. It could just be, could just be at the spot, and the next thing we know, we go back higher and continue its daily uptrend. Or what I'm looking at would be RSI, hourly oversold. If the bulls can, very first hourly oversold when RSI is under 30, does a bull buy up the dip and mark the daily higher low? So, and continue to go up or not. I'll be watching for that. And right now, I am still holding my short from yesterday that I talked about. I shorted the semiconductor sector, which is SOXX, and I am currently up decently. And so you can see we pulled back roughly 2% today. And I usually buy the leverage 3x ETF. So the short leverage 3x ETF for SOXX is SOXS. And so if SOXX is down 2%, a SOXS will be up 6% because it's a leveraged 3x ETF. So you times it by 3, depending on how much this semiconductor ETF goes down. So if it goes down 10%, that short one would go up 30% or more because it's compounded. But as you know, the gist of it, just times it by 3. And so I'm still holding on to that because semiconductor sector is a lot weaker than QQQ. You can see we dropped close to 2% today, and QQ only dropped like 0.5% roughly today, somewhere around there, because we had a little bit of bounce into the close. So this is the QQQ daily time frame, and we're also in this cluster resistance zone between those two black lines. But QQQ's daily consolidation is not on its way yet. You can see we broke to a new high, and there was no follow through, but we did not break yesterday's low. You guys can see I haven't broke yesterday's low, so daily consolidation is not on its way. We need a candle below prior day's low for it to be called a daily consolidation. So something like this down here. So this is a move up and a move down and then a move up higher than the prior high to form a daily continuation of a daily uptrend. So right now it's still in daily uptrend, and we don't know exactly how deep or shallow the consolidation is going to be. So I'll also be watching that as well for a hourly oversold as well for RSI 30 under 30 on the hourly time frame. And also this tail looking line as well. You can see it was acting as support. It's a 12 EMA, and so we're a little bit extended. So I'm waiting for the 12 EMA to potentially catch up. And let's say we consolidate, have our daily consolidation. We drop down a little bit here, down to this prior resistance air zone 315, or maybe we drop down to this area, and then this catches up, and then ends up being in the same spot as the prior support, and we bounce off of it. That's potentially what might happen. Or again, more rotations. We'll see how the market trades this week. As of now, I'm currently still holding on to my short, and if I see QQQ starts bouncing off its supports, I might close my position, take my profit. So I'll see how deep this daily consolidation is going to be. and that will determine when I take my profits. And as that, I will update you guys tomorrow and as well Thursday. I'll be updating you guys every day for daily markets. So you guys have any comments, questions, and feel free to subscribe to my YouTube. And I post daily updates. And I'll see you guys around.